Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a poem, The Pulley. Now what is pulley? Pulley is a small fixed wheel with a rope or chain that is used to lift something up. Now you might be thinking that how does it relates in this poem? In this poem, pulley stands for the relationship between God and his creation, that is man, that how God pulls his man towards him and keeps connected his creature with him for the growth and success of his creature, that is man. This poem has been written by George Herbert, who was a Welsh poet, that is, he belongs from Wales country. He has written many religious poems. In this poem, he describes relationship between God and worshipper. The poem exhibits that, shows that how does God lifts man towards him with the pulley of restlessness, that is with the pulley of dissatisfaction, which means God ने सब कुछ दिया है man को लेकिन एक ही चीज़ नहीं दी है, वो है rest, which means comfort or satisfaction. When God at first made man having a glass of blessings standing by, let us, said he, pour on him all we can. Let the world's riches which dispersed lie contract into a span. This means the poet says that at the time when God first created man, he had a glass of blessings standing by. Here, standing by means waiting to be used, that blessings were waiting to be used. He thought that he would be generous, that he would be kind and selfless and shower on man all the gifts possible. God planned that all the treasures, that is gold, money, precious metal of the earth which lay scattered, which are lying idle, should be collected and should be used in the small space he had created, which was man. So strength first made a way, then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. When almost all was out, God made a stay, perceiving that alone of all his treasures rest in the bottom lay. This means that God ने man को पहले strength दिया, that is ताकत दी, फिर ब्यूटी दी, दैट इज सुंदरता दी, फिर विजडम दिया, विजडम मतलब नॉलेज दिया, फिर हॉनर दिया, सम्मान दिया, एंड फिर प्लेजर दिया, दैट इज हैप्पीनेस. जब सब कुछ दे दिया, गॉड रुक गए और बोला लेट मी नोटिस मैन ये सब ट्रेजर्स का पैसों का अकेले क्या करता है. और एक ही चीज़ लास्ट में बची हुई थी जो थी रेस्ट, विच मीन्स कंफर्ट, ईज, सेटिस्फैक्शन. यही बची हुई थी जो भगवान ने मैन को नहीं दी. फॉर इफ आई शुड, सेड ही, bestow this jewel also on my creature, he would adore my gifts instead of me and rest in nature, not the God of nature. So both should losers be. God ने बोला if I should, अगर मैंने bestow this jewel also on my creature, यहाँ पे bestow का मतलब है bless, bless करना. अगर मैंने ये jewel भी दे दिया, मतलब rest भी दे दिया man को, तो man मेरे gifts को adore करेगा. adore का मतलब है to love, that means man will love the gifts and not God, and will rest in nature and not the God of nature, that is man will worship the nature instead of God. So यहाँ पे दोनों losers हो जाएंगे, that is God as well as man. Yet let him keep the rest, but keep them with repining restlessness. Let him be rich and weary, that at last, if goodness lead him not, yet weariness may toss him to my breast. In this, God said that let man retain all the other gifts, but at the same time, he left man with repining restlessness. Repining restlessness means continuous anxiety, continuous worry due to dissatisfaction. God thought that man should be rich with the plenty of gifts, but he should always remain tired and restless. God thought that only then at the end, if the quality of goodness did not lead man back to God, but weariness, that is tiredness, would draw man back to God's heart. Thank you people for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe.